In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a brochure in Canva, whether you're aiming to advertise a product, showcase a business, or simply craft something creative. Creating brochures can be an incredibly effective way to communicate. The beauty of using Canva for this task lies in its user-friendly interface and wide range of design options. Today, we'll walk through how to create a visually appealing brochure step by step. First things first, you'll need to open the Canva website. Once you're there, navigate to the search bar positioned at the top of the homepage and type in brochure. This is your doorway to a plethora of designs and styles specifically tailored for brochures. The search functionality in Canva makes it incredibly easy to explore and find exactly what you're looking for. It's a good idea to think about your brochure's purpose at this point, so you can choose a design that aligns with your vision. After conducting your search, you will be presented with a list of templates. Scan through these options and select the one that resonates the most with your project requirements. Choosing a template is about balancing your aesthetic preferences with the practical needs of your brochure. Remember, the right template serves as a robust foundation for your creativity. You want a design that's eye-catching yet serves your content well. Once you've chosen a template, click on Customize this template. This will open up the editing interface in Canva. Now this is where you have the opportunity to really infuse your personality or brand's image into the design. You'll see options to alter text, colors and imagery, giving you complete control to tailor the template to your specifications. Now that you have your template open, you can begin editing the text. Simply click on any section of text in the template to make adjustments. This is where you can input your specific message, adjust font sizes and colors, ensuring your text aligns with your overall design theme. It's important to ensure that your text is clear, engaging, and well integrated into the design. The goal is to deliver your message effectively, so spending time tweaking your text until it's just right is well worth it. In these few steps, by leveraging Canva's robust tools, you can create a stunning personalized brochure. Use your imagination and experiment with different design elements. The key to successful design lies in balancing creativity with clarity, ensuring your final product not only appeals visually, but also conveys your message effectively. That's the beauty of designing with Canva. It empowers you to turn ordinary information into extraordinary content with ease and flair. And there you have it, a beautiful brochure crafted right from your own ideas, brought to life in just minutes with Canva. Happy designing!